Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Shikshak. I am Shikshak and today's video you will learn how to add animations and transition in Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. So let's start. Adding an animation to a text, an image, a shape or other elements of a presentation. To add animation to a text, select the desired text, click the animation tab, select the animation that you want from the list. Here I will go for wipe. For an image, a shape or other elements, click on the shape or image. Select the desired animation from the animation tab. Here I will go for apply in. If you want to see which animations are applied to an object, click the animation pane. You can also rearrange the animations as you see. You can do like this by these arrows. You can use the timing option to set the timing of the animation from the duration option. You can also choose when you want the animation to start on click, with previous or after previous from the start option. Adding transitions to a slide. Select the slide you want to apply a transition to. Click the transitions tab. Select any transition from the list. Here I will go for reveal. After you select any transition from the list, you will see a preview of resulting effect. If you want to adjust the direction of the effect among other settings, click the effect options drop down arrow. To remove a transition on transition tab, click none. I hope you liked the video. For more such videos and study material, please subscribe my YouTube channel Shikshak, and also do not forget to like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.